Hey everybody, how you doing? So today, you guys, we're doing a car mukbang. I got me some Asian. The place is called Green Ginger. So I got me some succulent boneless catfish with some fried rice. I got me a little spring roll right here. I gave me my soup. I don't have no spoon, so I can't eat that. So y'all, I'm hungry. Let's eat. I gotta eat it while it's hot. And yeah, it is 67 degrees. It is warm. Y'all see that fish, y'all? Now I usually don't eat catfish, but this is pretty good. Yeah, y'all. You know, look good. They gave me a lot of food today. It usually don't be this much. But it is still hot. Mm. Yeah, my stomach has been growling all day. All day. Yeah, y'all ain't never seen me with no Coke. But I need something to make me burp today. Excuse me. I should have got me a ginger ale, but I ain't had one. I mean, I tried to get me a ginger ale, but I ain't had one. Mm, 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 mm. This is the sauce supposed to use to put on the rice. Mm. Now look at spring roll. I put that whole thing in my mouth. Ooh, excuse me. Mm. Yeah, I got some little lettuce and carrots in here. It's a lot of food. What y'all been doing today? Mm. Oh, excuse me. Y'all, this is good, but I'm not gonna eat all of this. I already know that. Y'all, please give me a thumbs up. I need a whole lot of thumbs up. Mm. Mm. No, I wish I had another egg roll. That was good. A spring roll, what was it called? Excuse me. That's why I don't drink Minnesota. I don't put acid on the stomach, but I needed this today. Mm. Now, let's see about this here soup. What that little white stuff, y'all? What's that white stuff? What there? Wait a minute, what are those? Taste it. That's not good. No. I think I picked the wrong one. Oh, excuse me. I think I picked the wrong one, you guys. Oh, excuse me. Oh, that Coke is doing about it great. Whew. Okay, y'all. I'll take a couple more bites of this, y'all. That piece tastes good. It tastes better than the last piece. Try that again. No, I'm on my lunch break. Doing the video. I'm trying to get it in any way I can. It took them so long to get my food ready. I'm not complaining. It was busy over there today. I hadn't seen that many folks in there. It's so pretty outside. That's why everybody hanging out. But y'all, I'm finna get back to work. I'm gonna put my food up and I may eat it later on. I may not. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next guys. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Y'all have a great day. Peace.